Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to watch TikTok videos in a playlist. Creator playlist is a feature on TikTok that allows creators to categorize their public videos into playlists to make it easier for you to watch related videos in a series. If you want to watch TikTok videos from a playlist, open the TikTok app. As you are watching a video, you may see playlist at the bottom of the video. That means the video is in a playlist. If you may want to watch all the related videos in your TikTok app, tap the playlist from the bottom. Let's find such kind of video.
টিকটকের নতুন ইফেক্ট চলে এসেছে
Here we find a playlist here at the bottom. Tap on the playlist and you will find all the videos in this playlist. You can scroll up and down to watch all the videos. Tap on the playlist again, you can change the other videos. The order of videos in a playlist can be changed by the creator. How to watch a playlist from someone's profile. If you visit someone's profile, you will see their playlist at the top of their video tab. Let's go to the profile. Here we can see two playlists are available. One is emotional video and the second one is tattoo and art. Let's tap on the emotional video. Here at the bottom we can see the playlist. These videos are in the playlist. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.